Hello, hello. Perfect, perfect. Let me come off this. Anyway, guys, as you've seen by the title, we're gonna go through my hinge. Right? We're gonna go through my hinge is crazy. I mean, I don't have hinge anymore, innit? I deleted the app. So we're gonna go through the the screenshots I took at the time because the message I got when I was on that, it's crazy, man. Absolutely fucking crazy. I don't know what was I doing. We're not together, but we make it official. Is the lighting good? My fucking light broke, fam. I'm doing some fucking halfway to. It's better like this. Let me see. I mean, the low key is better like that, innit? I mean, high key. High key better like this. I can't lie, man. But anyway, guys. Can we go through my hinge? Alright, let's get into it, man. What you going to? My hinge is a dark place. I can't lie. Dark, dark place. But yeah, if it's your first time, I'll say what up, man. Say what up. I'm trying to run up the videos. You see, I ain't be streaming for a minute, man. I can't lie. I ain't be streaming for a minute, man. Just live, bro. Stuff, man. Get your bitch ass out, man. But let's go chat, man. Let's look at my fucking demonic fucking energy. It's not even demonic, man. Just dark, innit? But yeah, it's in my. So where is it? What's this? Let me see what this is. So yeah, look. What did I say to this thing? What's this? I got 295, 294. You only got 294. Yeah, look. What do you mean I can't? Bruv, why did it open like this, man? Yeah, look. So I saw this picture. Oh my gosh, man. So I saw this picture, yeah, let me full screen it. I saw this picture and I said, should we? I was like, fuck it, let me. She's on the bed, hotel bed, So I got, I'm a creative guy, man. I use my creative thought. I said the first thing in my head, and I said, fuck it, should we recreate this? Should we recreate this? And she matched with me. She's on that timer. She said, cheeky, cheeky, cheeky. How do I go to my next? How do I go to the next picture? I can't remember. Then let me open this. I won't play what you though. I like that. I like. Come on, man. Put some W's in the chat for that, man. Put some W's in the chat for that. Is anyone in the fucking chat, man? Fuck's sake, man. Nobody in the chat to put some W's, man. Let me put myself on. fam. Yeah, yeah. W's in the chat, man. Let's go, man. W's in the chat. I know you niggas like that. I'll put you niggas on game, man. For real, put you guys on game, man. I won't play what you like that. I'm a top Rizza, fam. I'm a top lotioner, fam. Top lotioner, fam. I'm more like no limit, no limit. I ain't gonna say, man. But yeah, that's not even a crazy fucking DM, fam. The craziest DM I got, um, the craziest DM I got has got to be. Oh, I didn't even screenshot this one, man. I mean, this is okay. This is one of the craziest ones. Let me find it. Oh, it's not even in this. Not even in this file. Two times. Okay, look, watch this. Look at this one, bro. She was like, I don't even know what I said before. I can't even go back on the track because I deleted the app. But I said because you have three babies. I don't know what I said. Oh yeah, because she was talking about like, oh, why are we talking on three apps? You must really like me. I said because you have three babies. She said, don't tell me I'm 30. You might just keep it. I said, bitch, you ain't threatening me, man. I don't care, man. I won't complain. She said, haha, stop. I just said this. You scroll down. You just want me to run your face on every app. Nah, not even, shorty. Not even, shorty. Like, she might be freakier than me, guy. Look what she said next. I'm like, bro, calm down. You're gonna get some, shorty. I didn't even. That's crazy, man. Like, and she's from Stockholm, yeah. These things from fucking the things in Sweden, G, they raise you up, man. Like, man, them 2025, 2026, you have to go Sweden, G. I'm putting man on, fam. Go Sweden. I'm have a good time, man. Yeah. But when you go, invite me, because I'm not gonna show you around, man. I'm gonna put you on, guys. Don't worry, man's got you, fam. But yeah, that's not even the craziest DM. That's one of them. That's one of like that. That's one that's like, you know. Let me actually go through my thing. Let me go through my screenshots. Oh my god, like, this one is the craziest DFG. This thing was like, what is this? 2020. Okay. 0053. This is what, 2024? I didn't see it, guy. Hold on, you man. Hold on. You man, hold on. Hold on. I can't even find this shit, bro. I can't even find this, guy. Did this thing delete or what? Let me just screenshot it again. This is wasting time, man. Come over here. Okay. Okay. Sorry guys for that. But yeah, look guys, look at this, bro. Like, what do you even but yeah, I'm Ukrainian. Yeah, watch him. Where you from? Like, keep it cordial. Where you from? Like, I wasn't even dark back then. Where you from? What's your background? I didn't reply. Like, bro. No. Bro, what the hell? Like, what do you even say to this, huh? Wait, where'd they go? Oh, where'd they go, man? Like, come on, man. She's been too hungry, man. How do you reply to it, man? I said I love it. Oh my gosh, man. Like, this app is so crazy, man. Like, the messages you'll get there, like, are insane, bro. Are insane, man. And if you guys like this, man, I'll even show you, like, the baddest thing, man, not just on the app, G. I might have to download it again, see, man, if you wanna show you, man, if you wanna see that. But, yeah, I think that's the second craziest one I've had. Actually, no, top three. Like the third one, I can't even show you because I didn't screenshot it. I didn't screenshot. But yeah, let me show you the first craziest one. No, this is it. Where is it? Oh, I didn't even come out of this. Da, da, da. Is this a video? It's got to be this video, right? What did she even say? Let me go to that. What did she even say? Which one is it? This one? Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Yeah. I'm like, bro. So I was like, what do you mean by that? Like, how old are you then? Let me just go to the screen record. Go to the screen record. Come on, man. Open up, bro. Things piss me off. It's gotta be this one, bro. This nigga's not taking the piss, bro. Why wouldn't let me open it, bro? it was like, cool, your wish is mine. Come on. I put that emoji. Where's that emoji? Yeah, look for it. Yeah, type shit, type shit. Oh, fuck it, man. Yeah. If you want the same thing. Did I show you the thing? I didn't. But this one will. Wait, hold on. This one will. I'll just open it as well. This one? Like, what is going on, man? White screen, white screen. It's not even here, bro. It's not even fucking here, like. No, I can't even see them, man. This is dangerous. This is dangerous. Because I don't want to open the wrong thing. What was that one? Oh, was it this one? 652. It's gotta be this one. I don't know what's going on now, man. Now, why is it not showing me the pictures now, man? What time was this? 16th of Feb. Anyway, let's just move on from that one. Man. She was down. She was diabolical. Man. She was 53 as well. I won't even bother showing you that. But yeah, I think it's this one. I'll show you this already. Um, it's not the wrong fucking tape. How many videos did I take with this stupid? Oh my gosh, it's pissed me off. How many videos did I take with this? What even is 291, bro? don't get why it's not opening, man. That's what's pissing me off, bro. Let me just go through the photos, man. I want to go through photos. Oh, mamacita. Oh, mamacita. Wow. Oh, gosh. Like, bruv, it was fucking working a second ago, man. This is what pissing me off, bro. Fucking working a second ago. This folder is empty. Okay, now what is the start of that video look like? It looks like white top, white half top, white half top. Even here, bro. It's gotta be this. Please. Okay, yeah, finally, man. Yeah, it wasn't even this thing, man. She just said, what did she say? Face card. She, yeah, she gave me a rose. Naughty girl. She gave me a rose trying to get across, man. But I spent way too long trying to think of what to say to this thing. Yeah, like this thing. Like, bro, just, just read this, guys, man. And make it bigger. Miss my ex, and you look like him, so it's more helpful if you come over than be best. Like, come on, girl. Come on, girl. Calm down, girl. She's all right, but is what I said. Send me That's what I said, man. Good to go. She's good to go. So get it packed and gone, man. Sealed and delivered, mate. Yeah, sealed and fucking delivered. Sealed and fucking delivered. Nah, that game was funny, bro. Hinge is one funny place, man. And then let me show you one last thing. Let me show you one last thing before I log off, man. This is one funny. Let me see. Let me see. Where was it? Was it like just text? Look, all text. Where's this one? It's gotta be March. Oh, shut up, mate. This thing is so stupid, man. It's hard having a stupid fucking. Oh my gosh, man. No, it's not, man. It's. Oh my God. Fucking stupid. Absolutely fucking. Like, it's not fucking copying anything, like. Okay, yeah, this thing. No, it's not this. This one. But yeah, I told her this thing. I'm coming to Oslo, innit? She's from Oslo. There's a beautiful tart. Yeah. Anyway, she said, okay, not so long. I said, oh, have you been to like London? You know, you been in London before? She said, not so long. It's definitely a month to go on this. I said, yeah, soon, baby. I said, no, you have a reason. Because I'm here type shit. Really? Most definitely. Don't you think? What would you show me? Look at my answer, man. Look at my answer. I'll show you the big dude in Central. You know, you might know the Big Ben, right? Yeah, so Big JJ in Central. Oh, shit. I don't know if she's being for real. What did I say next? I didn't say anything. But you, fucking hell, man. Sometimes I just don't give a fuck. Just say whatever, man. I'll just say whatever comes to my head, man. Just say whatever, man. If you're fine, I'm gonna take my time to think of something to say in it. Most times I just don't care, man. Just say whatever. But yeah, guys, if you guys enjoy this type of video, man, it's not even a proper video, man. I'm live streaming right now. My bad. But yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in a bit. If you like this, man, it's gonna be on my YouTube, Twitch. I mean, not Twitch, TikTok. If you like this type of shit, and I'll download Hinge again if you want that. If you want to see me live in the flesh, actually, using up things, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna call it.